Unboxing the solar lantern with radio. Solar panel. 5-in-1 USB cord. The solar lantern with radio. To turn on the lights, press this button here. It has different levels of brightness. Can last as long as 11 hours on this highest level. Now, to turn on the radio, you turn the knob till it clicks, and then you press this button up here. To change the radio station, you press the button up again. And then to turn off the radio, you simply turn the knob until it clicks. To charge this lantern, you can charge with the solar panel. You attach the panel inside this black hole and you hang this outside. You hang this outside for it to charge. When it's charging, you can see the charge indicator here. The green light moves up and down. You can also charge this with electricity. Pick up the 5-in-1 USB cord, attach the big pin inside the black hole and connect to your phone charger. You also see the green lights moving up and down when it's charging. This has a 3500 mAh power bank. You can charge your phone with this. Attach this USB cord and then plug in your phone. See? It's charging. So hang this outside or charge with electricity using the big pin. Charge your phones and listen to radio by turning the knob and then you click on the button.
Ọmọkùnrin mi ò tí pọ̀ ọmọ ogójì ọdún kò tí pọ̀ ọmọ ọgbọ̀n ọdún òun ò tẹ́ ẹ̀ lè rí yóò tún máa pariwo ẹ̀yìn àbí ẹsẹ̀.